7 Chinese nationals have been arrested in South Africa in connection with the 2019 discovery of a human trafficking ring. The Chinese nationals have been found guilty on 158 of the 160 charges that they faced. The group was convicted for numerous charges, including human trafficking and labor law violations, besides breaches of occupational health and safety regulations. The police has received a tip-off about an illegal factory employing foreign nationals, prompting them to conduct a raid. Following the raid, a police investigation found that between 2017 and 2019, the accused had employed 91 undocumented Malawian nationals, including 16 minors in the age group of 14 to 16. The victims were confined to the factory premises that had a high wall, razor fence and armed guards controlling their movements. The foreigners were forced to work 11-hour shifts 7 days a week without training or safety equipment. At the High Court, a judge recounted the testimonies of some workers, including the one who was denied medical care after losing a finger. The security and workers were often threatened with firearms and then subjected to extreme control.
Ruling on beautiful cities, indeed a great ruling in terms of employment laws, and the judge has gone further to define who the employer is and to make sure that those that would contravene employment laws are not left unchallenged in this country. And this set a very good precedent at the High Court level for the first time that labor exploitation has been taken to that extent, and also a finding being the labor exploitation. And this sends a very good message, whereas those that employ foreign nationals without documentation and those that would also tremble on labor laws, including safety.
And our correspondent Calvin Ong, who has sent us this report from Johannesburg, listen in.
South Africa has one of the largest Chinese population in Africa. Most live in Johannesburg, which is the economic hub of the country. Most operate businesses in various sectors of the industry, employing locals and foreigners. However, not everyone seems to be following the rules of South Africa. In this case of 7 Chinese individuals, police provided evidence calling several employees, mostly Malawian nationals, who testified about being deceived by their Chinese employer. Most of them, who had previously worked for Chinese-owned factories, were recruited under false pretense. The victims described harsh conditions, including being transported in windowless trucks to the factory where they were not allowed to leave. The case against the 7 who has been convicted of human trafficking has been postponed to March 7 to allow the state and the defense to prepare for sentencing. This is Gauteng from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.